Ka Ri Bhoi district rengkat bat ka rihi berok kawai menta kesengi ka khatsan tarik nailar arajar arpaulai kala rakhe ye kesengi lai luat ka bah nyau pho nriu jong ka ri India na ka jingsen shar ki doli ka ri bilan ya ka jing rakhe ye ka ne kesengi kraw jong ka ri Ri Bhoi district la penlong hamadan NSCA paham siem nong po menta usnam ka jing rakhe ye kesengi kraw jong ka ri Ri Bhoi district ba kermen shilla ubadairu menteri ke sorkar jela ulalong kumukongsan ban kentiuru ya ka lama lairong jong kari India bat ban shimru ya ka salute na ki kenhun ki bayat paren ha katai ke singi lai don lang u MLA ka nongpo constituency ba Meral Bonds im u MLA bat MDC ka Mauhati constituency ba Charles Marngar u MLA ka Umroi ba Daman Bat Lamare u Deputy Commissioner ka Ri Bhoi u Arpit Upadaya u Superintendent of Police ka Ri Bhoi u Giri Prasad lambat ki wei ki officer jong ka district bat la pensyong kun shu ya ka ne ke jing rakhe da ka jingwan tu ki paidbah nong shong jong ka them Ri Bhoi ban saki ye ki program ba pher ki bala penlong hapo ka ne ka madan ha ka ne ke jing rakhe sngi light luit ba nyau phon riu jong ka ri India la yoru ban sam ya ki kusnam sha ki nong job ha ka jingyakom ki ba kenthop ya ka best march pass kabala yora da ka JNV bat ha ka jingyakop jingshat traditional la yo da ka Morning Star Secondary School bat la samru ya ki kusnam sha ki nong job ha ka jingyakop mare marathon bala penya da ka office u Deputy Commissioner Ri Bhoi district kabala penlong hne ka stamp
their lives in protecting the rule of law. This year finds us at a unique juncture of history. As India assumes the G20 presidency, our country is poised to provide leadership to the community of G20 nations. This presents an unprecedented opportunity for us to forge new partnerships in the field of development, sustainability, and climate resilience. The overall law and order situation in the state was by and large peaceful. To obtain the police force, a total of 1,010 police personnel have been recently appointed. The government has approved the creation of 7 border outposts in the Assam border to strengthen policing in the border areas. The government has also recently approved the creation of the Directorate of Forensic Science to strengthen the forensic capability in the state, which will improve prosecution and conviction of criminal cases. We are also in the process of improving the police infrastructure, including the creation of police housing in the district. The peace talks between the HNLC, Government of India and the state government is making steady progress. The formal talks have already started, and the state government is hopeful that engagement with the HNLC will soon fructify into a resolution bringing lasting peace across the state. Last year, we signed a historic MOU with the state of Assam in presence of the Union Home Minister as first step towards resolving the Meghalaya-Assam interstate boundary dispute. Our government is committed to resolving the dispute in the remaining 6 areas of differences: Lampi, Bordwar, Nongwa, Matamur, Desh Dungria, Block 1, Block 2, and Sir Khanvi. To that, our Chief Minister has had a meeting with the Chief Minister of Assam on 24 May 2023. The regional committee that have been formed for the 6 areas of difference have already conducted multiple meetings and have also led their Assam counterpart to take the talks forward.